Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Cake Scraper set is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone who enjoys baking and decorating cakes, from the simple to the most elaborate designs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate home baker, having the right cake scraper set can significantly elevate your cake decorating game, ensuring smooth, even surfaces and sharp, clean edges every time, making your cakes look like they came from a professional bakery. Number 5. RFAQK Cake Decorating Kit. Everything you need to start decorating cakes like a pro is included in this kit. It has all the tools for creating beautiful, professional-looking cakes. This turntable rotates smoothly in both directions, making decorating easy for everyone. The non-slip base keeps it stable on your countertop. The included piping bags and tips will help you take your cake decorating to the next level. Create stunning designs with ease. The leveler creates even cake layers, while the spatulas help you ice and smooth the cake perfectly. It's ideal for creating layer cakes. A user guide with cake recipes and step-by-step instructions is included. Learn how to use all the tools and create delicious cakes. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. What we like? It's a comprehensive set with everything you need to start decorating cakes. The smooth turntable makes decorating easy for both right and left-handed users. If you're a beginner or want a complete kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This all-inclusive set is the way to go if you are wanting to decorate a cake for the first time but don't know exactly what you need, because it has all the basic items plus more all in one convenient set. The plastic, rotating cake stand was easy to use, and we actually used it with a little greenery below to cover the blue ring that didn't match our decor for display too. The cake leveler was easy to use and produced expert-level looking even cakes. I am a novice baker who was tasked with baking my brother's birthday cake. I bought this set in hopes of helping me decorate. I really like the cake turntable, piping bags, cake cutter, and spatulas. Each were easy to use and helped stack and decorate the cake effectively. Liked this kit. It had everything you would need to create a great-looking cake. Has many different types of tips. The turntable works great. It's great for beginners to use. Overall great baking kit. Number 4. 3 PCS Stainless Steel Cake Scrapers. This set includes 3 versatile cake scrapers, perfect for creating stunning cake designs. They're made from durable, food-safe stainless steel for long-lasting use. These scrapers are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they're sturdy, non-toxic, and easy to clean. You can confidently use them for all your baking needs. It's not just for cakes. Use them to spread frosting, chop ingredients, or even shape dough. They're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Each scraper features 2 distinct edges, a smooth side for a clean finish and a patterned side for adding decorative stripes to your cakes. Get creative with your designs. Simply place your cake on a stand, and use the scraper to effortlessly create beautiful, uniform edges. It's easy to achieve professional-looking results. This set contains 3 different cake decorating tools, providing you with ample options for all your baking projects. You'll have everything you need to decorate your cakes beautifully. What we like? Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. The double-sided design lets you create different looks. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile scraper to create elegant cake stripes, this is for you. What people say. These stainless steel cake scrapers are truly heavy-duty and perfect for taller cakes, including double-barrel designs. The patterned edges create beautiful textures, and they really help elevate the overall look of my cakes. They're easy to use, clean up nicely, and feel very durable. They give a sharp, clean finish that looks super professional. 3 different scraper patterns. Super durable, great material, and amazing results. Number 3. 9-pack Cake Decorating Set. This versatile set makes cake decorating easy and fun. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Made from safe, food-grade plastic, these tools are smooth, easy to clean, and won't hurt your hands. They're also durable enough for everyday use. With various shapes and textures, you can create endless designs. Experiment with different patterns and styles to make each cake unique. The adjustable smoother works on cakes of all sizes up to 8 inches. It ensures a perfectly smooth finish every time. These scrapers aren't just for cakes. Use them to work with cream, chocolate, dough, and more. They're perfect for any dessert creation. This set includes everything you need: an adjustable smoother, double-sided scrapers, and specialty scrapers. Plus, each tool has a hanging hole for easy storage. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of shapes and sizes to create unique textures. The adjustable smoother accommodates cakes of different sizes. If you enjoy experimenting with different cake designs and need multiple options, this set is perfect. What people say. Works as shown. No issues. I haven't used all of the tools yet, but I'm happy with what I have used. I made the smoothest looking cake I have ever made. Nice quality work, great. Number 2. Cake Scraper Smoother Set. This amazing set contains everything you need for perfectly smooth cakes. It includes both acrylic and soft plastic scrapers for versatile decorating. Made from high-quality, safe, and non-toxic acrylic, these scrapers are durable and built to last. They're thick enough to resist breaking or bending. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these scrapers make creating beautiful cakes easy. Simply slide them across your cake for a flawless finish. With 11 unique patterns and both smooth and striped edges, you can create countless designs. It has everything you need for any cake decorating project. These scrapers are easy to clean and won't take up much space in your kitchen. Just peel off the protective film before your first use. With this versatile set, you'll be able to create stunning cakes with ease. It's the perfect tool for bakers of all skill levels. What we like? Made of high-quality acrylic, it's durable and easy to clean. The multiple patterns let you create various cake designs. If you want a versatile set with many patterns for easy cake decorating, this is a great option. What people say. Material is very sturdy and there are quite a few different shapes in the set to choose from. Easy to clean and feel pretty sturdy in my hands. Increables model adores, Bune material YSUS Circos no Teenin Rebaba. Number 1. Teenitor Cake Decorating Kit. This kit has everything you need to create beautiful, professional-looking cakes. It's made of high-quality, durable plastic, built to last. It's made from high-grade PP plastic, ensuring your safety and ease of use. You can use it repeatedly without worrying about wear and tear. The set includes 6 cake smoothers with different patterns and 1 clear scraper. This variety lets you create many different designs. These tools are easy to use, even for beginners. They're stiff enough to be effective but flexible enough to conform to different shapes. Simply wipe them clean or wash them in the dishwasher. A hole in the corner allows you to hook them together for easy storage. Use them for cakes, bread, chocolate, dough, the possibilities are endless. Create unique patterns and designs on all your baked goods. What we like? This set includes various tools for different decorating techniques. The plastic is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. If you need a versatile set of tools that are easy to clean and maintain, this is a great choice. What people say. They are sturdy and durable. Very easy to clean and it made smoothing out my frosting a breeze. This set of scrapers is invaluable for a kitchen. These are sturdy and hold up under frequent use. Flexible yet sturdy enough to handle the various mediums I'm using for my projects and easy to clean. These can be used for a multitude of things. Cake decorations, art projects, texturing, just about anything that you can think of. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.